o gold no o sika unya o nyina ni royalties ni o taxes ni nyina. It is worth less than 15% of whatever the value of the gold is. This is no the same kojobo ate. Eti no na dwapade anyankopon de ama nyina wo de ache. Na timamufo koye Galamsey a wa be da do mo so be legalize Galamsey. Afi no watu ani aso mo so. Na so ma abrofo kwan. No mo ye Galamsey no mo diskaneko. Na timamufo de komo de ye de anopo ye ndidi. Ye titi so odwanti. You understand? And I have made this case say, look, I don't understand why this government is fighting Galamsey, destroying excavators and killing people, shooting people, yet they allow a party for to engage in the Galamsey with some foreigners and smuggle gold in the Kwabontin. Your currency is suffering. What you need to do to prevent the smuggling is very simple. Masa, Nyankopon agudie wo de chair yebetoye agudie no afa anche se nka fom enti na ye agudie wo ye dey gold no betu eti wo hwe Ghana mrema ye gold no e ya aban dia e na asase ne yetimamfo dia enti wasase do fie ho no mo se unya gold wa anya ode abie me ya aban dia enti na obi tu gold pe no ye se o ye illegal mining wan koje license enti abai say na obe solve sa problem.
Over the week me so much papa bi sa o tutu gold e won fi.
In fact the Lubo community bi omo tu amandan ne sensen ho. Na ni party. No mo ko mo dem mo furu akede no. Omo ru omo dem. You understand? So you see the point I'm trying to make and say gold ni wa asase ni mu timamufo komodi omo. You have to build your economy. You can even build your economy based on this. Your currency is struggling. One key ways of solving your currency problem is gold. So what you do is that omo ye Galamsey no monto sa from obi o ye Galamsey bia ombra no meji free license oyema temi yo ombra ni register no ni ehu se wo tu gold wa ha wo tu gold wa ha regulatory fees for how betua otua regulatory fees na imagine all this number of Galamseyers omo buru be say 1 million you see Galamsey no upper east upper west nyina Galamsey wo so if they are even 1 million now job more regulatory fee because the jobs that they are doing it brings a lot of money. Job more regulatory fee 10,000. What is the regulatory fee going to do? You have a lot of unemployed youth. You hire them as field officers for the Minerals Commission. They should just follow them and make sure that they are following the law. Why do we prevent them from doing the Galamsey? Because sometimes when we use chemicals, it's inimical to the environment. When we use planted trees. So that is what the regulation is going to do. Then you charge the person. About sa gold now o tuni nyina o se aban se me to gold. O de gold ni ba me ma o sei. Eti ni pa no smuggle gold ni Cote d'Ivoire na ase Togo. E ma ye fam no ni emfa sika ni nyina anko. Eti ni pa no de be bra aban no. The government can build a gold reserve. That gold reserve will build a buffer for our finances. Eti no sika crash aban ni ye di gold ni kwa. Sika e benya bi ha no stays in our reserve.
Right.
Nobody steals the gold away.
Also, what's the ensembinum studia? Probably that could have been a better approach. Said a Ghana, Yanka say bit me a benefit from a near metiti say a word than say foreigner, a Benyano de Beconi, especially say to any shay in Ticano, said the wire mobile as Yafana. But knowing very well, say opposition, no, as soon DA and say Monesemo hold the government not accountable. When Yama Bebremu in terms of corruption, nepotism, abuse of power, justice issues near the Adinina. And then I remember when I interviewed His Excellency John Dramani Mahama a week to the recent election, he references say even the manifesto or the Babontin, the current president, Nana Akufo-Addo, campus obey a mudo one auntie, or who say in a way no, and then one poor dear ban of a panacea obey. Now here lie the case, say we are having many issues, and still no money as Putino in check. Now, meaning say a Brennan Shadan no some from my end, but if we have time, and you know there are many things across the educational sector with regards to the free SHS, no, and then Yama Ecosto there and Crano Afahode. Control bia enim any honke can ye, I mean security issues, yeah, health sector and issues that you facing recent watch a quite first who because not bad the crown who a day, next will be no self in pum and send up upon your baby poor dilate and a or buy another new form and my baby a pie. You know, I'm a middle cono become age and I yet say environment issue, Galamsey, I want us to reference much on it, no corruption issue, na say Kobase be and said, yeah, I mean, yet say. I mean, there's this whether it is an allegation or not, no, they think that judiciary, they don't have the liberty, the freedom not to operate into regarding whatever the issue is. No, the TBN favor are buying, you know, the Ghana card issue. I difficult say. And ordinary Ghanaian no benyan very easily. Nanka even same registration no. Nanka very easy to access the card. Nanka probably no. Nka may bigger issues. Side through baby ne enya mu stubborn academy na. You know, these among other things. They increasing fuel transport. You know, in pure water crane say 50 pesos. Among other things. Still, now, do you think that we should continue to hope that the opposition can do anything better because Nana is still here and we have a few more years before we even go for elections?
You see, unya the whole day, I'll be to me on NDC. And you see, it is very sad that we have come to this point, especially based on promises are my way a year. It is worse than you have mentioned. But you see, said the Americano, or yet they are Kakrabe count, or be crude in no Kakrabe count, say, inquire that Thanos have been no. So I say, and now Kola was your money, my men, no so bent to a panetoda. Now, Oshe a economia, na ye can was a ma ebimenti, na ye cast a president, Kufuado. He is not cut for, in fact, he doesn't know what he is coming to do. And you see the signs were there. 2016, the signs were there, but nobody was ready to listen. And it appears, said the now Kano. Damreno, Timemfona Kasa who say they have a role to play. So they were talking. Now, I said they don't realize that they have a role to play. And Yamamina said they don't realize that they have a role to play. And we have to wake them up. And now I say they are complicit and you won't woman to me and Bekasa. But whichever way that you look at it, Ohima, your position, what we can do is to just use our voices, our efforts, and to put strategies in place to change this government. That's all we can do. But whilst we use our voices, our efforts, and maybe the small power you have given to us in parliament, which we have shown that we can effectively use that power. The other most important thing that must be done is that omo akakra ka omo no so no eso omo kasa. One kasa otinwa ye yiwa ibone o de hwensem abobo so yi. Wache. We shouldn't have lost Wache. And look, Wache the na Wache wa how. There are several thousands of people that you do not know them in the villages. They are just dying needlessly. Needlessly. Some are dying because they don't even have paracetamol. Paracetamol. You understand? People are losing their family members. People are losing their jobs because of small things that the government is supposed to do. So what are we doing? So me my family there. Me party for ye the demonstration. Ye we betwe. Electoral Commission. Omu nyamra sem ne awuruka sem a omu die no ko wie mu 2020. Everybody feels like no. Electoral Commission asem. But kromani opese kromon bono kroni bo timubi. Yeah. It's no ya quiet na ade na ekoso na wan kasa oti wan ye yiwa yibone. Well.
Now,
so what you say? It's why you bear your family. Look, I don't sleep. I'm always away. I leave my family almost always away, so trying to do something. That is all the assurance you can give us. I am doing something. I am okay. On daily basis. On your part. My name is party for on daily basis. Forget about the fact that we want political power, but we are doing something to change the situation on daily basis. Okay. What are you doing? As a citizen, it's a question. What are you doing as a journalist? What are you doing as a driver? What are you doing as a nurse? What are you doing as a doctor? What are you doing as a mason? What are you doing as a carpenter? What is everybody doing today to help save the situation.
What am I men in the wood team? Okay, we'll answer it in our head.